At Honda Cars of Rock Hill, we have a great selection of pre-owned Nissan every day.
Just like this 2006 Nissan Frontier LE Crew Cab with a V6 engine. It features alloy wheels, fog lights, running boards, a roof rack, tinted windows, a tonneau cover, and a bed liner. There is also air conditioning, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, power steering, windows, locks and mirrors, a keyless entry, anti-lock brakes, and an AM/FM CD player. Visit us online at hondacarsrockhill.com or call us at 888-739-9257.
You can see this car and many similar vehicles at hondacarsrockhill.com.